This is too high. Should be at under 1. And sometimes it just pulls, it just drives, just puts the power in. I really don't know what's the problem. Maybe someone in the comments section can tell me what's the problem. Maybe somebody can tell me, because I think this is a common problem that the Fiesta MK6 owners might know about, or might have experienced before. It's really unpleasant. See, the rev is going up and down. I don't know for what reason. And I'm just on neutral, by the way. This is so frustrating. It's in second gear. I think it's on limp mode now because it's not going. My foot is all the way down, and it's not going any speed over 20 kilometers an hour. Wow. It's done this before, and I changed the spark plugs quite recently, and I thought maybe the problem would be gone for good because I did the service as well, and the oil pressure warning lights had left. I know there's an engine warning light, but I kind of overlooked that because I thought maybe it still needs to be cleared with the scan tool or something like that. But as it turns out, there really is some malfunction in the mechanical components of my vehicle, and I need to do something about it real soon. This is just a short video to show you guys what limp mode is. There it's putting power on again, and then it went to limp mode again, like it's limping. Yeah, that's the problems I'm faced with this 2004-5 Ford Fiesta MK6 1.4 liter. Let's see if it's gonna take on a mountain in limp mode, because I still need to go somewhere with this vehicle. I need to go back home basically, and yeah, it's putting on some power, but it's not giving me any reason to switch to the fourth gear, because it's really, to the third gear, because it's really slow. And a big shout out to you guys for watching up until this point. If you haven't subscribed so far, kindly do so. It's free. Press that red subscribe button, and if you like the content, press the like button, and of course do comment in the section in the comment section down below and tell me what the problem is, or what do you think I should do. Like only positive vibes only, guys. This is a project car. I bought it for a very affordable amount, which I will not mention right now. But yeah, you guys have yourself a good day, because I'm definitely having myself a good one here. Peace.